Have you ever noticed that your strength seems to be slipping away as you age, even though you're trying your best to stay active? It's a common concern among the elderly, but the good news is that there are effective strategies to combat muscle loss and maintain your vitality. In this video, we'll explore the two crucial methods recommended by doctors to tackle muscle loss: optimizing your diet and incorporating the right kind of exercise. Stay tuned until the end to discover how you can apply these strategies to not only prevent muscle loss but also enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your strength, improve your balance, or simply stay healthier longer, this video is packed with practical tips that could make a significant difference in your life. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the old age lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now, let's get started. Dealing with muscle loss is a crucial concern for the elderly, and doctors emphasize two primary methods to manage this condition effectively. The results from these approaches have been highly encouraging. Take, for instance, Mr. Wang, who is 75 years old this year. Recently, Mr. Wang noticed a decline in his physical condition. Tasks that were once effortless now left him feeling fatigued and weak. Concerned about these changes, he visited the hospital for a checkup, where his doctor diagnosed him with muscle loss. This condition, common among the elderly, raises an important question: how should seniors address muscle loss? To understand this better, let's first define what muscle loss is. Muscle loss, medically known as sarcopenia, is characterized by a gradual decrease in both the quantity and strength of skeletal muscle. This process typically begins around the age of 40. According to Director Wang from the General Hospital of the Chinese People's Liberation Army, skeletal muscle is crucial for our movement and metabolic functions. Research indicates that after turning 40, a person's muscle mass diminishes by 4% to 8% every decade. This progressive loss is a natural part of aging but can have significant impacts on one's overall health and daily activities. So, how does muscle loss manifest? Director Liu of Peking Union Medical College Hospital explains that the most noticeable sign is the thinning of muscles. This loss of muscle mass becomes apparent in the arms and legs, where strength is significantly reduced. Simple tasks, such as lifting a bucket of water or climbing stairs, can become increasingly difficult. Additionally, individuals may experience heightened fatigue, and even minor physical activity can lead to shortness of breath. Recovery from exertion takes longer, and changes in body shape and physical fitness become markedly evident. Addressing muscle loss involves adopting specific strategies to mitigate its effects and improve overall muscle health. By following medical advice and implementing recommended methods, seniors can effectively manage this condition and enhance their quality of life. How prevalent are these changes? In 2019, the Chinese Gerontological Society and Geriatric Society conducted a comprehensive survey involving 12,000 elderly individuals aged 60 and above. The findings revealed a concerning trend: nearly 70% of the elderly population experiences some degree of muscle loss. This proportion escalates to a striking 80% among those who are over 70 years old. Director Zhang from the Southern Hospital of Southern Medical University emphasizes that as the aging process intensifies, age-related sarcopenia, characterized by the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, has emerged as a significant issue impacting the overall quality of life for the elderly. What are the implications of muscle loss for older adults? Despite its seemingly minor appearance, muscle loss poses a serious threat to health that is often underestimated by the elderly themselves. One of the critical consequences of muscle loss is an increased risk of falls, a common and dangerous issue among older individuals. Research indicates that a 20% reduction in leg muscle mass can lead to a 2 to 3-fold increase in the likelihood of falling. This is due to the essential role that leg muscles play in maintaining balance while walking and in coordinating body movements. When muscle loss becomes severe, older adults are particularly susceptible to balance issues, which can result in falls. Such falls can have severe consequences, including long periods of immobility or even life-threatening injuries. Furthermore, muscle and bone health are interdependent. As muscle mass diminishes, the support for bones also weakens over time, accelerating the progression of osteoporosis. Data from the Chinese Geriatric Society shows that the incidence rate of osteoporosis among elderly individuals over 60 in China is alarmingly high, reaching 36%. Muscle loss is a significant contributing factor to this condition. In addition to its impact on bone health, muscle loss affects metabolic processes, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Director Wang of the Endocrinology Department at Peking Union Medical College Hospital points out that muscles play a crucial role as metabolic organs in the body. Research has demonstrated that for every 12% decrease in muscle mass, there is an 11% increase in the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Common chronic conditions among the elderly, such as hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and mood disorders, are closely linked to muscle reduction. In summary, muscle loss has emerged as a hidden yet formidable threat to the health and well-being of the elderly, significantly impacting their overall quality of life. When dealing with the risk of muscle loss, medical experts consistently highlight the importance of adopting strategies to bolster muscle strength and health. To effectively address and mitigate muscle loss, there are two primary and recommended approaches: a well-balanced diet and engaging in moderate exercise. Firstly, maintaining a reasonable and nutritious diet plays a crucial role in preventing muscle loss. A diet that is rich in essential nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals supports muscle repair, growth, and overall strength. Proteins, in particular, are vital as they provide the building blocks necessary for muscle maintenance and regeneration. Ensuring that your diet includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help sustain muscle mass and prevent deterioration. Secondly, incorporating moderate exercise into your routine is equally important. Regular physical activity, especially resistance training and weight-bearing exercises, help stimulate muscle growth and combat muscle atrophy. Exercise not only strengthens muscles but also improves overall physical function and endurance. Engaging in a balanced exercise regimen that includes strength training alongside aerobic activities can enhance muscle health and reduce the risk of muscle loss. By focusing on these two foundational methods, maintaining a well-rounded diet and committing to regular moderate exercise, you can effectively counteract muscle loss and support overall muscle strength and vitality. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 1. Adjust dietary structure and intake of high-quality protein to combat muscle loss. The initial step in combating muscle loss involves a crucial adjustment in dietary structure, specifically focusing on increasing the intake of high-quality proteins. High-quality proteins are those that provide all essential amino acids required by the human body, which are vital for muscle repair and overall physical fitness. These proteins play a key role in maintaining and building muscle mass, particularly as we age. So what foods qualify as high-quality proteins? According to Director Zhang, several excellent sources include lean meats, eggs, milk, and soybeans. Let's delve into eggs as a prime example. Each egg contains approximately 7 grams of protein and provides a comprehensive profile of amino acids necessary for bodily functions. However, it is important to note that eggs are also high in cholesterol. As a result, consuming multiple eggs daily may not be advisable. Director Xiao from the Nutrition Department at Zhonggan Hospital of Wuhan University suggests that for elderly individuals, eating 1 to 2 eggs per day is a prudent approach to balance nutritional benefits while managing cholesterol intake. In addition to eggs, milk is another exceptional source of high-quality protein. The protein in milk contains all the essential amino acids required by the human body, and it is highly digestible. The absorption rate of amino acids from milk exceeds 95%, which significantly supports muscle synthesis. This makes milk a valuable component of a diet aimed at muscle maintenance and growth. To effectively meet muscle nutritional needs, it is essential to incorporate these high-quality protein sources into daily meals. A balanced diet plays a critical role in muscle health. Protein constitutes about 80% of muscle composition, underscoring its importance. High-quality protein sources in daily life include lean meats and fish. For the elderly, it is recommended that daily protein intake should be approximately 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. This means that protein consumption should be distributed evenly across meals to ensure adequate supply throughout the day. Alongside protein, maintaining a balanced diet structure is essential. This includes ensuring an adequate intake of energy, providing carbohydrates and fats, and incorporating a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals. Professor Du highlights that comprehensive nutrition is necessary to provide the raw materials needed for effective muscle synthesis. If dietary adjustments alone are insufficient to meet muscle nutritional needs, considering nutritional supplements may be beneficial. However, Professor Du advises that any supplementation should be done under medical guidance to avoid potential adverse effects. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing supplements to ensure they are appropriate for individual health conditions and needs. 2. Moderate exercise to enhance muscle strength. Engaging in moderate exercise is crucial for enhancing muscle strength and combating muscle loss. While dietary adjustments play a role in fueling the muscles, it is an exercise that provides the necessary stimulation to maintain and build muscle mass. Associate Professor Chowie from the Rehabilitation Department at West China Hospital, Sichuan University, emphasizes that exercise, particularly resistance training, is highly effective in addressing muscle loss. Resistance training involves exercises that directly stimulate muscle contractions, which in turn promotes muscle growth and strength. According to Chowie, incorporating exercises such as dumbbell and resistance band training, as well as bodyweight exercises like push-ups and sit-ups, can significantly benefit muscle health. Chowie recommends engaging in these resistance exercises 2 to 3 times per week, with each session lasting about 30 minutes. This frequency allows for adequate stimulation of the muscles while also providing sufficient time for recovery. Regular resistance training not only helps in counteracting muscle loss, but also improves overall physical fitness, making everyday activities easier and more manageable. By committing to a consistent exercise routine, seniors can effectively enhance their muscle strength and maintain a higher quality of life. Fourth, the importance of scientific intervention and persistence in elderly exercise and muscle loss. 1. Tailoring exercise to individual needs. Effective exercise for older adults must be personalized to accommodate individual health conditions and physical limitations, thereby avoiding overexertion and potential injury. It is crucial for elderly individuals to recognize that their physical states vary significantly, and as such, exercise routines should be adapted accordingly. Gradual progression is key, starting with low-intensity activities, and slowly increasing the intensity allows for safe improvement in muscle strength and endurance without risking fatigue or injury. Listening to one's body is essential. If any discomfort or pain arises during exercise, it is important to modify the routine, take necessary breaks, and seek guidance from a healthcare professional or fitness expert. This approach ensures that exercise remains a safe and effective tool for managing muscle loss and enhancing overall health. 2. Benefits and choices of aerobic exercise. Incorporating aerobic exercise into a fitness regimen is highly beneficial for older adults, complementing resistance training to improve overall muscle health. Aerobic activities such as walking, swimming, and practicing Tai Chi not only bolster cardiovascular function but also enhance the oxygen supply to muscles, thereby supporting muscle vitality and function. Regular moderate aerobic exercise helps in managing weight, which is crucial for reducing the strain on muscles and joints. Additionally, aerobic exercises contribute to improved mood and energy levels, which can further motivate older adults to maintain an active lifestyle. By integrating a balanced mix of aerobic and resistance exercises, elderly individuals can achieve better muscle health, enhanced physical fitness, and overall well-being. 3. Choosing low-intensity exercise is suitable for the elderly. When considering exercise routines for the elderly, it's crucial to select low-intensity activities that are tailored to their specific physical needs and conditions. While many people have a solid understanding of exercise, it's important to recognize that exercise programs should be customized for different age groups, particularly for older adults. Due to the natural variations in physical health and fitness levels among the elderly, not all aerobic exercises are appropriate or beneficial for this demographic. High-intensity aerobic exercises can pose significant risks to older adults, potentially causing harm to their bodies and exacerbating joint wear and tear. For example, high-impact activities such as competitive basketball or vigorous rope skipping can place excessive stress on the muscles and joints of older individuals. These intense exercises might lead to increased fatigue, joint discomfort, or even injury, which can be detrimental to their overall well-being. Instead, elderly individuals should focus on moderate-intensity exercises and activities that are gentle on the body while still providing health benefits. Low-impact exercises such as walking, swimming, or gentle cycling are excellent choices as they help improve cardiovascular health, maintain muscle strength, and enhance mobility without placing undue strain on the body. Additionally, exercises with shorter durations and moderate intensity allow older adults to stay active and engaged in physical activity without overexerting themselves. By opting for low-intensity exercises that are appropriate for their physical condition, elderly individuals can enjoy the benefits of regular activity while minimizing the risk of injury and maintaining their overall health and vitality. 4. Persistence is key. When it comes to maintaining muscle health, establishing and maintaining good habits is essential. A reasonable diet and moderate exercise are the foundational strategies for combating muscle loss, but the true cornerstone of success lies in persistence. Developing and sticking to beneficial lifestyle habits is crucial for sustaining muscle health over time. Many elderly individuals understand the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise. However, they often struggle to stay committed, frequently giving up midway due to a lack of persistence and determination. There is a common belief among seniors that muscle loss is an inevitable and irreversible part of aging. This mindset is not entirely accurate. While muscle loss does follow certain physiological patterns, scientific research and interventions demonstrate that it is possible to slow down or even reverse this process with the right approach. The key to overcoming muscle loss is maintaining the right mindset and building confidence. Believing in your ability to combat muscle loss is half the battle. Taking consistent action is the other half. Start with small, manageable changes in your daily routine. For example, increase your physical activity by walking more often, practicing Tai Chi, or using resistance bands while watching television. Incorporating these activities into your routine as habits will yield positive results over time. Addressing muscle loss is not something elderly individuals can manage alone. Support from family members, professional guidance from healthcare providers, and a supportive social environment all play crucial roles in helping seniors maintain a healthy lifestyle. Family members can actively contribute by encouraging their parents to stay active, such as taking them for walks or motivating them to engage in regular exercise. Moreover, society as a whole should be mindful of the muscle health of the elderly and work towards creating supportive environments that promote fitness and well-being for seniors. Thank you for joining us in exploring effective ways to address muscle loss and enhance your health. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. So what have you learned from today's video? We'd love to hear from you. Please share in the comments one key takeaway you'll be bringing into your daily routine. Your insights could inspire others on their journey to better health. If you liked this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more content that supports your well-being and keeps you engaged with our community. Let's grow stronger together and continue to age gracefully. See you in the next episode.